Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you how you can take your Bitmoji classroom, if that's what you're deciding to do, and put that into your Canvas classroom with embedded links. So if you'll see, I already have my embedded links on there. On the calculator, they can click this and it takes them to an online calculator. The Abacus takes them to Cool Math, and then if they click on My Bitmoji, it'll take them to Storyline Online, which is like a read aloud site. So just some options. I just threw those in there to show you as an example. So when you have your classroom done and you have your embedded links ready to go, and say you just want to use this as a welcome or as your banner, and you always want the kids to have those options, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, and then you're going to go down to Publish to Web, and then you want to make sure you click Embed, and then you're going to copy the embedded link, go to your Canvas, make a home page, make sure you're in whatever course you're working in, add a page, title it, and then you're going to go up to the HTML editor, you're going to paste that embedded link, and then you're going to save it. So let's look at it for just to see how it looks. And remember, the Canvas Bitmoji classes may not always work on iPads and such and phones if your kids are using it, so just keep that in mind when you're using Bitmoji. So before we check our links, let's check this bottom right here. Now, I'm a type of person that I do not like to see these little black lines. I don't want to see Google Slides or this option, and you can change that. You can get rid of it. So you go to Edit, you're going to go back to that HTML editor, you're going to go up beside where it says at 3000, and you're going to do and, oh, click 3000, and you're going to do and RM equals minimal, and then you're going to save that. And now you've gotten rid of those black lines on the bottom, and it's just your slide. So now let's make sure our embedded links work. So I'm going to click the calculator, and it's going to take my students to the online calculator. So that works. I'm going to click my Abacus, and it's going to take them to Cool Math. That's perfect. And then finally, going to click myself, and it's taking them to the Storyline Online. So now you have your embedded Bitmoji classroom ready to go.